face. And I thought life was over. I feel just unstoppable when I've got my makeup on, you know? I'm just Tanya. Hello everyone, this is Burn Beauty 2018, and I'm taking a moment for the fellas today. If you have burns, you have vitiligo, a lot of gentlemen who don't wear makeup regularly want to know how to balance their skin tone. Well, the answer is, I already have some foundation on, but you have dark spots, you have light spots when you're burned or have that vitiligo. Pick a color that is lighter than the dark, but darker than the light. So right in between. And I am using Lancôme Font de Teint Idôle. It's in a stick. One stick, you turn it over, there you've got a brush. You buy one thing, gentlemen, one thing. And you can take this and just put it everywhere. Everywhere. You don't have to, it doesn't have to be perfect, because I've had a lot of questions about just evening it out a little. Just making it a little less, you know, people used to really turn their heads when they saw me because there was such a drastic difference in the color of my skin. So number one, I want you to know that that goes away if you do some skincare, moisturize, tone, mainly keep it moisturized and keep sunblock on there. Your skin tone is going to even out. And you can even out the texture if you do some certain things. I think I'm going to put together a program for that, but I digress. Gentlemen, you could do this. And then when you're done, I want you to take a blurring setting powder, because you have already used a blurring primer. I left that part out, but I did use a blurring primer, which is just something you rub all over your face to help the makeup stick. Put the foundation, powder puff with a blurring setting powder, because you must set your foundation. Put it all over your face. Let it sit 2 to 3 minutes. And then you are going to have a big makeup brush. Okay, gentlemen, this is the big brush. This is just a big powder brush. After your blurring setting powder sets 2 to 3 minutes, take it off. Lightly, the closer you hold it to the end of the brush, the less pressure you're putting on it. Take it off. No extra powder. So you notice I'm not perfected to the level that I normally perfect my face. But by God, it's nicer if you're just trying to walk into a room and not have heads turn. I mean, that's really other people's problem, but we also know it's our problem. So if that's what you're looking for, Lancôme Font de Teint on top of a blurring primer with a blurring setting powder, brush it off. And then an Urban Decay setting spray. I can't set my makeup right now because I have to finish my makeup right now. But a setting spray is something that you see everybody do it, let it dry, and your makeup stays on even when you sweat, even when you rub. Love you guys. All love you. This too shall pass. Bye.